Giving time to Bold News, and as a journalist, it's part of my duty to record interview like celebrities like you. But today, I'm really honored to record your interview.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
you gave a very deep and inside view of Pakistani culture through your film. Tell us about the inspiration behind this film.
Well, I can tell you that it's inspired by my 10 years of living in Pakistan, obviously, and that my intention behind it was to make a film that celebrated Pakistan and Pakistanis on the world stage. You know, we don't often see Pakistan in Technicolor on the big screen. We see black and white bad news about Pakistan. And when Pakistanis are in films, it's normally like Zero Dark 30 or Homeland, where they're the terrorists or the like shady ISI operatives or suicide bombers, frankly. And it gets a bit depressing. You know, my Pakistani friends and also my children get a bit depressed always being presented like that. And so I wanted to do something more colourful and more hopeful and more fun and show a bit of the beauty of Lahore and the architecture and the music and the food and the colour and the Mehndi dances, etc. And I just really hope that Pakistanis like it.
Okay, Jemima, your film is going to be released on 3rd of March in Pakistan. A few minutes back, I've watched the trailer of this film. What I have perceived through watching this trailer, you talk about love and arranged marriages. Is it so?
It's a British Asian rom-com.
Okay.
And in it...
What do you suggest, love or arranged marriages?
I don't suggest either. As in, I don't think one is better necessarily than the other, and I don't think the film is saying that either. All it is saying is that the preconceptions that a lot of Westerners who don't have experience in Pakistan or haven't met Pakistanis who had arranged marriage have a tendency to look down on the idea of arranged marriage and think of it as an outdated tradition. And I think the film